10 Best ChatGPT Prompts for Setting Up a WordPress eCommerce Website. Setting up a WordPress eCommerce website requires careful consideration of multiple aspects, from product listings to payment gateways. Here are 10 ChatGPT prompts tailored to guide users through the e-commerce setup process on WordPress website. 1. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress e-commerce basics. What are the fundamental steps to set up an e-commerce website on WordPress? 2. Best ChatGPT prompt for choosing the right WordPress plugin. Which e-commerce plugins are most recommended for WordPress? How do they compare? 3. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress product listings. How can I effectively list and categorize my products on a WordPress e-commerce site? 4. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress payment gateways. Which payment gateways integrate best with WordPress, and how do I set them up? 5. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress shipping and logistics. Can you guide me on setting up shipping options and rates for my online store? 6. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress secure transactions. How can I ensure that transactions on my e-commerce site are secure and encrypted? 7. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress SEO for products. What are the best practices for optimizing my product listings for search engines? 8. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress customer reviews and feedback. How can I incorporate and manage customer reviews for products on my site? 9. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress cart and checkout optimization. How can I improve the cart and checkout experience for users on my e-commerce website? 10. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress analytics and sales tracking. Which tools or plugins can help me track sales, visits, and other essential metrics on my e-commerce site? By using these prompts with ChatGPT, users can gain comprehensive insights and actionable advice for launching and managing a successful e-commerce website on WordPress. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Sign up now by clicking the link in the description below to download 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts and experience the power of ChatGPT prompts for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content.